Good afternoon, traders. This is Des, your future mentor and senior analyst here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, September 8th, 2011, and the market's in the day in bearish territory. However, we did have news come in saying that Americans borrowed more money in July than any other month in more than 3 years, it looks like. But they did cut back in using credit cards themselves, which was a smart move. But Wall Street does extend losses after the Bernanke speech. And Bernanke came out saying that the Feds do seek to restore strong growth. Well, of course, you better say that. But we did have initial jobless claims come in this morning, higher than expected, and we end the day on the Dow down 119 points, or down over 1%. The same on the S&P. Nasdaq down 0.8% and a 2% smack on the Russells, or small caps. And aftermarket trading at this moment is still in bearish territory. But here's the thing I want you to watch for us day traders in the chat room today. We were talking about the banks lagging the broad markets even during the markets when they were up 30 plus points on the Dow. Everything looked very bullish, and we talked that there would be no way we'd go bullish in this scenario because we had the banks lagging so badly. And look at this. Financials are down 2.64%. And they're saying for us to dig ourselves out of this recessionary cycle that we tend to be in at this moment. It'd take another few years for us to dig ourselves out. However, this economist on CNBC today said this: if the financials continue to get crushed, then expect this recessionary cycle to be very deep and take us 10 years to dig ourselves out of. Put that in perspective, that would be 2021 before we could bounce out of it. Think about that. Let that sink in for a second. Sobering information, to say the least. Gold up 2.7%. Silver up about the same. US dollar up 1%. Crude oil down 0.7%. And yesterday, to all the Grok graduates, it showed you that the trend, TRIN, was quite low. And with that low reading, we should have been expecting a reversal and a bearish day today. And sure enough, that's what we get. And that's after a nice solid move up yesterday here in the markets. This is the Standards & Poor's S&P 500. Big move to the upside, stalling out at 1200, act as resistance. We did pop up, but we come back down. We do have a higher high, higher low. So we have an up leg in the making at this moment, but the markets are in a place of indecision. And we close much lower than we open. And what we're looking at here is kind of this pinching pattern. I have this new trend line drawn from this swing low to this swing low coming up. And look at this trend line, but look at the red, this swing high to the higher swing high. So with that, we have the makings of a rising wedge, which is more bearish than bullish. If you look down here on the oscillator, on the MACD oscillator, we are hovering just above zero. If this starts to break down and we close down below the 20 simple day moving average and this major trend line, I would say if we can get below 1172, then it could be a nasty little drop here taking place, and that will be a crossover taking place here at the zero line on the MACD down below. So we have tonight President Obama coming out, giving us a pitch on how he's going to create more jobs. And the NFL kicks off its season tonight also. And a reminder, all you Grok graduates, doing a live study group tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you have received an email and a password late last night. And feel free to do that. Or send me an email if you did not get that email and you want to be a part of tonight's live training. Looking forward to all you joining us. Take care. Safe trading to all the rest of you. And we do have a mentorship coming up pretty soon. If you are remotely interested in joining the ever-growing group of Grok graduates, you certainly will be taking a step in the right place. and we're in the right direction. And send an email to Carolina, like North or South Carolina, Carolina at groktrade.com. Just say you want some more information. Take care and safe trading.